we made a prediction on this channel that this could be one of the most parabolic rallies for crypto we've ever seen, because we saw cryptocurrency getting more political than ever before. And in that, we saw essentially kind of like an arms race, right? But a financial arms race happening with crypto now. It's happening right now. This is something that we predicted. This is something that's occurring today. So I'm going to come out with the latest stories, the things that you need to be aware of in this space, and show you that both sides of the aisle, Democrats and Republicans, are right now pro-cryptocurrency, and that is very interesting. There's some differences. We'll talk a little bit about that, but let's get into this one with a quick update on what's going on with Bitcoin, why this could be that super cycle that is actually getting pushed by really now the U.S. government as a whole. Hand in hand, politicians are in agreement that it is time to pump crypto from the looks of it, guys. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Crypto Kip. We got a video for you here. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get right in. So Bitcoin's been around the $68,000 to $69,000 level. And tomorrow is a holiday, or today, excuse me, so the markets are not open, but I think we've got a lot of volatility coming up in the weeks and months ahead, especially leading into a presidential election. So let's start with this story right here. Trump put out a post recently saying that our country must be the leader in crypto, in the crypto field. This is something that we've talked about a lot on this channel, that the United States government cannot risk sitting on the sidelines for this multi-trillion-dollar asset class. Because think about it. Let's say China or Russia wants to adopt cryptocurrency, and then cryptocurrency goes from a $2 trillion market cap to a $20 trillion market cap. And let's say that China and Russia, or one or the other, take buying power and take up a large percentage of that market and invest in this space and control a majority of the mining, a majority of the actual assets in the space. Where would that leave the US? That would leave them basically at a disadvantage, just like an arms race would happen, right? With weapons or with finances. It is the same thing. And this is exactly what's happening. This is weaponizing finance with crypto. And so what we're seeing is the shift that we predicted exactly on this channel. And if you've been watching the channel for a while, let the people know in the comments down below how exact we called this. So here you go. You have one Republican candidate, and I didn't even pull up the story about Robert F. Kennedy either, but he wants to eliminate taxes on crypto. That's huge. He's an independent, but really people are focused on Trump and Biden. Now, recently, Hutchinson, okay, he is the he is one of the lead developers and founders of Cardano, one of the big DeFi blockchains out there. He recently accused the Biden administration for a coordinated effort to kill crypto, but that is not true anymore, because we have now officially seen this come out from the Biden administration White House. And in this language, there's very key phrasing. The United States government, I'm going to skip a little bit, will promote the responsible development of digital asset payment innovation to help reinforce United States leadership in a global financial system. To reinforce United States leadership in a global financial system. Donald Trump says that our country must be the leader in the crypto field so that we do not get left behind. They're both saying the same thing right now. So we have opposing forces, right, in agreement that crypto is here to stay. Listen to this, my friend. Actually, I'm not going to play this out, but this is a speech of, I will play it out real quick. So let me just play this for you really quickly, guys. Listen to this.
Future of crypto and the future of Bitcoin will be made in the USA, not driven overseas. I will support the right to self-custody to the nation's 50 million crypto holders.
That is huge news, guys. And it's not just Donald Trump. It is also Joe Biden. It is also Robert F. Kennedy Jr. That is the entire political campaign that we're about to see. No matter who you support, everybody supports crypto, and it's here. And we predicted it on this channel. And this is also embracing decentralization. When you see the Trump campaign talking about self-custody, that is huge. Where's this going to go? Well, probably to the moon, my friends. When you look at the history of cryptocurrency, let's talk about a super cycle. We have not seen crypto go through these previous bands in a very long time. In fact, over time, we've seen crypto kind of find, a little bit of lower highs, at least on this rainbow chart price indicator. And so we've seen it come a little bit lower in these bands, a little bit lower, a little bit lower. Now maybe people were thinking maybe green or yellow here. That's what I've been thinking. But what if, guys? What if now that we've got a race to be the biggest and best crypto nation from now the United States, potentially China, potentially Russia, potentially all the other major world powers, racing to adopt cryptocurrency and embrace it? Could we get that super cycle? Could we break out? Could we get that $1 million Bitcoin? Guys, the answer is yes. Now, could we get the $1 million Bitcoin in this bull cycle? I wouldn't expect that. I wouldn't hold my breath on that. But the odds of a $100,000 Bitcoin just went way up. The odds of a $200,000 Bitcoin in this cycle just went way up. Guys, if we get to some of these levels that we've seen, and just looking at some of these red bands, if Bitcoin follows its chart and its history from the past, if it gets up to some of these levels, guys, we are looking at, let's say it gets to the top band, you're looking at a $648,000 Bitcoin, possibly even by this fall or even into January 2025. Now, let me be very clear. I'm not telling you that I think that's a very likely scenario, right? It's not a very likely scenario at all. That's a huge move. That is trillions of dollars flowing into cryptocurrency. At one point in the future, I do believe that gold will flip, or Bitcoin's market cap will flip the market cap of gold. I think that Bitcoin will flip gold at some point in the future, which means we're going to see the market cap of Bitcoin go from a $1.2 trillion asset 10x to about a $12 trillion asset. And that would bring us to that $694,000 market cap, price for Bitcoin as you're looking on the screen right now. And, maybe in January 2025, maybe after that, maybe that before that. But again, I don't know if that happens overnight. Even though there's things happening in the right direction, what I'm really looking out for is this, my friends. Crypto is going to get talked about a lot more, increasingly so by politicians, accumulated by governments, and especially leading into this presidential election. So over the next 6 months and into the fall of this year and winter, I think it's going to be the hottest thing we've ever seen for crypto in a very, very long time. Remnant of the 2017 bull run, perhaps. And the last bull run, guys, I think was a little lackluster. Kind of had like a double top here. I want to see that blow off top. And this blow off top, my friends, with everything that we're seeing going on in the space from a news perspective, this one could be that super cycle. Do you agree? Do you disagree? Let me know in the comments down below, guys. That's all I got for you in this one. Live stream later today to check it out if you want to, guys. That's all I got in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel, and as always, guys, don't forget to DCEA HODL, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. Got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all. I'll see you next time.